What is OSPF passive interface? In OSPF, a passive interface is an interface where OSPF does not send hello packets, meaning it does not form OSPF neighbor relationships, but it still advertises the network associated with that interface. Why do we need OSPF passive interfaces? Security prevents OSPF from forming unwanted neighbor relationships, especially on interfaces facing client devices, internet links, or untrusted networks. Reduce unnecessary traffic. OSPF hello packets are not sent, reducing protocol overhead and unnecessary CPU usage. Better network stability avoids accidental neighbor formation with unauthorized devices that might misconfigure the OSPF domain. Improve performance. By not processing hello packets, the router has fewer OSPF processes to handle. Let's review the lab from the previous video, where we worked on OSPF summarization. For this lab, let's assume we are summarizing a prefix from an untrusted network or to prevent misconfigurations within the OSPF domain. Additionally, we want to ensure that hello packets are not sent in area 0, where the main office is, and that this summarized prefix does not appear in the main office's routing table. Let's disable OSPF summarization to view all individual prefixes in the main office routing table. However, this will expose unwanted networks that should not be present in the main office routing table. Enable passive mode for the OSPF areas 0.0.0.1 that includes Office 2 and Office 3 to prevent unnecessary advertisements. Since the prefix is already being learned in Office 3, this will ensure that the main office in Area 0 does not receive it in the routing table. Let's initiate a ping to one of the prefixes from the main office router to verify that the prefix is no longer reachable. Let's disable passive mode and check if the main office router's routing table can now see all the prefixes. Additionally, we will verify if the main office router is able to ping the prefix again.